Pentatonic fingering number 4 is up for grabs now. Okay, again, I'm going to show you how to play it. Then we're going to do like groups of 3s with it, kind of help you get that under your fingers. But it's all going to be on the 5th fret. So it sounds like this. All right, so now let's break it down. Okay, so here's here's the pentatonic fingering number 4 at the 5th fret. All right, so we're going to start on 5 with the index finger. The 2 big strings, strings 5 and 6, are going to be 5 and 8. So it's going to be index and little finger. Okay, the 2 strings in the middle are going to be 5 and 7. So it's going to be index and ring finger. Okay, now string 2. I know there's always an oddball, right? String 2 is going to be 6 and 8. So I'm just probably going to go ahead and use second finger and little finger for now, because the next thing is I'm going to be on string 1, and that's going to be 5 and 8. So I'm going to use index finger, little finger. So again, here we go. From the big string, those 2 strings are 5 and 8. 2 strings in the middle, 5, 7. The next string is 6 and 8. And the little string is 5 and 8. And now I'm going to descend. Now here's the 2 strings in the middle. And then here's the 2 biggest strings. And right now I kind of hear that as the root note. I could hear this as the root. But, you know, it takes a little work. So, anyway. So, one more time. I'll play it kind of slow. 5 and 8 on these 2. 5, 7 on the 2 in the middle. 6 and 8. And then 5 and 8 over here. Two strings in the middle, 7, 5. 2 biggest strings are 8 and 5. Okay. And now we'll do groups of 3s. So here's starting on the big string. I have 5, 8. Okay, that's that pair of strings. Now I'm going to start from string 5 on the 5th fret, and I'm going to get 2 groups of 3 on that. Alright, now I'm going to start on string 4. Okay, now I'm going to start on string 3. And lastly, I'm going to start on string 2 right here on the 6th fret. And now descending, starting with the little finger up high on that 8th fret right there. Now starting on string 2. Starting on string 3 right here on 7. Starting on string 4, 7th fret. And now starting on string 5 at the 8th fret. I'm going to come back and play that root because it drives me nuts, right? that is pentatonic fingering number 4, how to play it, and groups of 3s. So again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if this is helpful for you, and if you like the lesson, head on over to brockguitar.com. It's videos, play-alongs, tabs, it's all there. Sign up for lessons, check it out. And I hope to see you there. Have a good one.